sorry for the embarrassment. Please, I want to tell you something.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Good. This is Vivian. The Bible says there are 3 things in the world that we all need to live with. First is faith. The second is hope. And the last is love. But according to the Bible, among all those 3 things, love is the greatest. That is why I cannot stop telling you about how much I love you. You know, I really do love you. I want to marry you, Vivian.
Are you serious?
Yes, for now, I'm through.
You are through, eh? You are through, eh? You are through. As long as you continue embarrassing me, Vivian, I would always slap you. So when you more joy. Would your son try to now don't say we are saying A2 rubbish, nonsense, bastard.
Oh, Odo Odo Kumi. Odo Nadia Kumi. Oh, Odo Nekata Bibiaso. Me day. You know who she is. Nadia no di Kumi. I can take care of her.
Of course you can take care of it.
Stop eyeing me. Stop eyeing me.
I want to prove people that.
How? Hi.
Papa, what's that thing you see there?
Shut up over there. That thing. How can you call somebody silent thing? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you, Nibi? Oba fitting away at Obiba, Papa be epe. How dare you? You have no respect for yourself. You don't respect yourself. Yes. How can you come to somebody's house and then start insulting them? How can you come? Yes.
You better sort to Modebia. Every day morning, every day evening and afternoon. I can sort you.
No, too baneful. No van a yali and tinani fee. Two nefo. One the size, enemy bano.
One casa the other boy home by Ubi. Be your frap, mammy. Hey, when I'm to say ball you. What own tools, Obanefo, me wa. As the woman tank I see at the show. What?
Obey. And now two book. And now we was some back. Naka, need money. Naka, and no nefe.
A betcha, Tina,
Mahani, buy
what would buy no what we want bagaya. Whoa, and Sophie Pro.
Mamma, you say, Oba can be out to Banofono. Umama say bagaya. Mepejana bagana, Macatumba. Hey, time to be facile. Shannon so. The but mono in piano. Oceano as you prebima for the Bodum channel. Fatabo and I pray would be to from Panahatos. Nothing to center position. Tinaso 3 hours can 3 million. Ubeja no 3 more than a second.
Go to hell. Hell. What a better girl. Go to hell. Go to wine.
Let's go.
Mama Jane, Mama Jane say wine. Who from this and additive? Mammy can't show. Why you want to say we are sibo? I jata with him. I will put you popoa. Me catch no.
We are sister kwa.
Ya wa aboa wo so ewa ne hu a chance amwa.
Do blaki.
Na me catch no. Say me ye bia na me so me dan wuram.
Yes.
Na sa we hu say we ye magaji a.
Yes, ya ajia.
Ya de ma ba no. Mo hia me ba no. No se ne pa biem. Go away from this house. Go away, leave here. Get the qua. Get the qua. Get the qua. Get this house. Oh, me catch get the qua. Get the leave this house.
Oh, Papa Suma.
Go away.
My bridge.
Get the qua. To get off this house. Leave me, Papa, leave me. Too wonderful. So I saw and you fear. So we banana so be ban. It's okay. What did I make a choice?
Obano Yali.
I see a crap.
Ufium punching in another.
I pay a
punching is Yago.
Yeah, baby, let's go. Chop.
The better way.
I'm a chance. Get one cry. A dear bridge. Where freeway bridge.
I asked me to feel. Last I feel.
Some also John. What I have seen a pebium.
Let's go. Win my dear.
This is a toss one. Me fear not.
Young. Win more part. We one of their family plan.
Oh, me.
You were just sitting down there looking at them.
Oh, me.
Mm.
One near Wako Faba. One near Wako Kurabesia. What in your Mikano?
What have I done?
I have warned you severally. I have talked to you. You won't listen, and your mother will not even support me.
Why would I support you? He's old enough to get a girlfriend. He's over 20 years.
Yes.
He is over 20 years.
Yes.
So
why would I support? Yes.
It's no taboo.
That is it.
Go on harassing her.
He will go on today, go on tomorrow, the next day.
They say, when the dog finds itself on the chopping board of the butcher, then he realizes the importance of freedom.
Mama can rap.
Rapping.
Mama can rap.
Let him rap.
Who see? Who don't know?
Hey.
Go and laugh her.
Don't mind your father. Eh? He has no faith. He doesn't know whether he's a man or a woman. Leave him.
No faith.
Yes, he has no faith. Leave him.
Papa, let me tell you. Huh?
Tell me, son.
This girl that you looking at the size and then judging me. I can open her. All corners around her. I can open.
That's right.
I can dribble. I can chest.
Uh-huh.
I can swerve her and then open widely. The best corner of her body.
It's okay.
Then you enter.
It's okay. Don't talk
Asia, and then enter.
Leave him alone. Don't talk again, my boy.
Then you enter.
Mom, I want to tell you.
He didn't say enter. Oh. You added the enter.
You can swim.
Come on, keep quiet. You added the enter.
Oh.
He didn't say enter. Don't talk again.
I said one.
No, I said I can open
Keep
widely.
quiet.
I'm not fine. I'm not hurting. Who else will it be? I'm not a small boy, that's right. I'm very short. I need a wife. And the only person I love is that girl. And she doesn't give me the chance. Exemplify my love for her.
And not to give up. until they are convinced you truly, truly love them. And then they will welcome you.
Are you saying she's capable of loving me back?
Why not? She has feelings.
So what do I do?
You have to continue hammering her with your proposal. Huh? Do it that way. And do it diligently so that you don't bring trouble to the family as well as yourself. You know your father is a coward.
I heard you.
Do as I've told you. You'll be fine. If she convinced you truly love her, she'll welcome you, okay?
Thanks.
Are you fine now? Are you okay now? You go to the family. Wait, I'll get you a cat and food. I'll get you a food. You are fine. Wipe your tears. I'll come.
Baby.
Vivian! Excuse me. Please spare me some minutes to talk with you.
Hey. Vivian. Who the hell is this? Come on.
Mark, you really need to help me here. You see this thing? He's been giving me hell. And I can't take it any longer.
My friend. I mean, at least, let me see. What's really wrong with you? What the hell is wrong with you?
So what do you think is wrong with me?
Oh, nice. Then, for your information, that Vivian girl, she is my dearest dear. She is very close to my heart. She is my everything. For once. If I dare see you, or I cannot afford to see you and harassing her day in and day out. If you dare try it again, you will see where the Vito Paul lies. You bastard.
You are playing. Vivian is mine. She's a spinster and I am a bachelor. And we have been trying to tie our knot together.
My God.
So I'm even surprised to see you with her. Do you understand?
What? Vivian, you heard that?
Hey, what did you say? You son of a demon.
God.
You and who are trying to tie the knots together? Gentlemen, are you really normal?
Very normal, sweetie.
Hey.
Hey! Are you? You are mad. You are really insane.
You'd rather not insane. You understand? Ow! Ow!
Take
My
it
God!
away.
My God! Ow!
Why I say you, sir? me boy. It's me can't just say your boyfriend won't say. Who need me boyfriend? Huh? I don't know answer.
Mama na toka, no? Yenye bibi enti na me tata usa. Me shut up, me ni kusi. Eti wo, shut up bibi. Enti na me pe ko mi a, mama na toche. Enti na me answer. Mo koko. Close for. I look at you and me person.
Now so then else. And so who now what in the fool? What then they fool? You so fool crana. Me here, me see for what dear.
Ti. Last year unti best farmer na ka kete ka me nyan. Afi unti me do basa.
Maka say me here bibi.
Okay, me do basa, Vivian. Afi me see me best farmer on abe yo hima.
Best day.
Best farmer.
Best day. Oh, give me how with you. Oh, best day. Me get come on, stop that. What is that? That's the best farmer. Must be not best farmer. Who you put now? Young man, please. Who Vivian, stop. Best stop. Please go. Vivian, stop it. Go, please. Fiako. Last week, that best farmer. Best farmer, my fault. Last week, I didn't get that. Come on. What is it? It doesn't mean that if I get this boy, I don't like him. Then what? The fact is, this is the kind of man I want. You see the way he has a lot of hair. He's good. But the fact is, I have already committed myself with him. I can't do anything with any other person. So that I give you the answers to throw on how. And he's pestering me. He wants me to fall into temptation, which I don't want to. This is the only way I could keep him away from my side.
Abo petens you abu no na be fa be ho be wo. Eh! Jale day. Masa. Oba koko. Try be mu da. Afa de wa pa ba. So me ka kire o. Na me kura girl na me wo say no office na ni TV say. Je ase wo kurasti ni bi say. Me che wo villager. Na kwa wo Jimmy too much. Ase mano ampa Jimmy na ampa say wo kopo ba wo jona. Me na me koko fu. Last year ka ketekete me ye banchi. Me don cut ye ni wan masa. In fact wo ogu ho ni. Ni pe obi ya dia wo vegidate. Maka me ma remfi. Wo ka say to bet bi. Ye ko ya me koji. Abo petens you abu no na me fa be wo be. Eh katifoni o. Entos subada. Ayai. I got the phone. Make up. I got the phone. I got the phone, and quadra. Who Bobby did it? I got the phone, and quadra. Kai. What's it out? What's I got forced to do it. My guy. And you ask when you ask him, come on, say, my man, to me, mother, call him to me. Who you are, Bana? And you are Bana, and California, C2 near, and California, C2 near, so go near. I do have a power. I got the phone here. See two here. What's it? Oh, yeah. What's it? I got phone here. Two here. Me proud. We proud. Say me to me nyom. I got the phone here. See two here. I got the phone here. What's it? Aha. Yeah. I got the phone here. See two here. I got the phone here. See two.
Sorry for the embarrassment. Please, I want to tell you something.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Good. This is Vivian. The Bible says there are 3 things in the world that we all need to live with. First is faith. The second is hope. And the last is love. But according to the Bible, among all those 3 things, love is the greatest. That is why I cannot stop telling you about how much I love you. You know, I really do love you. I want to marry you, Vivian.
Are you serious?
Yes, for now, I'm through.
You are through, eh? You are through, eh? You are through. As long as you continue embarrassing me, Vivian, I would always slap you. So when you more with your sound tribe, you now don't say we are say A2 rubbish, nonsense, bastard.
Oh, Odo will come me. The Nadia will come me. Oh, don't a cata be so. Any day. You know who she is. Nadia, no, you come me. Jump at your chair. I jump at your chair.
Eh, who's that? Again, to wait to close your door. I know that only. The DNA team. Why said that? And yet, as we wouldn't know. We do win him, but you who need to separate. Hey, Nanya when I'm catching us, and I know many swan. No, not without a Vivian message and a deal.
But trying to sell, maybe trim upon a say, no worry, Vivian.
What I got for the team. What's the so get where we are?
I see what you are born, mine. Now they buy me fear. Who was a water was it over so while I'm about Yamin Pengu Obadam? I saw you know, get a answer.
You better than a mouth of flap. We did a Timson Kruman. And never a mouth to do. We need power when you are.
Jason, you can't make for some while I open all wine.
I'm a future wife.
I don't know what that's okay.
Future
Wife.
no problem.
I just who now man and what now.
I am a pound cabo come out too. 4, 5,
Nana Bosu.
6. Oh, Mammy Helen. 7, 8. I've lived here 35. When I'm 80, so about Uber. No problem. Thank you. I didn't know maybe I have.
Oh, quiet.
Mami frɛ Vivian.
Oh, cha.
Wo de wo ho
Wo ko frɛ na ko hene.
nya betre.
Chana me say we ya frɛ Vivian man.
But your mom for Vivian, mommy, why?
So one free hand ko.
Akaba Ideuran, why Ideuran? Tampina. Brave. On said you do want to chimpe. Go over you have a primo. Emumpa, me and Kasa. Ya nyabe trapa akokoro de ebe hu bi no ona ma oto ne pako hebe ma na ntu anantu edi tu free kick wanantu se siki akọ na anantu be o na ebubu faso onye nyina
na nya bufu sa no odi
odi oko aka onuanom next time come here again. I'll cut you and I'll treat you into pieces to spread. Chama wura mu no ma. Ese wuna kwa
ko hwe ne ma te asore.
Waare, ni nyina firu.
Me firu.
Ni nyina firu. Me kacha se Vivian ma ntena fa ho.
Na me de nenam.
Ya ba na ntu atu free kick ya. Na ya se ai sika akọ na nantu. Vivian kura oba ni wenu anko be risu sa. Say ni akura ba na otapa no 5000 mutu tukuru. Ni nyina firu.
Me free hwan.
I want to see him. Oh, see him. Vivian, my brother.
Talking about Vivian.
Of course.
Things are getting better. For sure.
Joe, Masa, we catch you pain, you play fun. Say, young Pada. Young Pada. So do not lie to us. The gossip was told to us that Vivian's parents issue a strong threat to your parents. Now tell us, Joe, is it a lie? Is it a lie, Joe? Oh.
Relax. You know something?
Unless you tell us.
It was just an attempt to test my love for their daughter.
That's why.
And I don't think they meant any harm for me. Your son, look, let me tell you something. You don't trust me. Look, that girl is destined to be my wife. Without their parents, like it or not.
The grace. The grace. So you are now Mr. Wuta. You are with big dreams.
Big dreams. Yes.
Oh, we now coupon big dreams. It's all that you can see. Sometimes I try and make them true. Yeah. Big dreams. It's all I can see. Sometimes I try and make them true. Shut up, for team. I trust you, man. Oh boy! I trust you! I trust you! The good man! Shut him go! Oh boy! Shut him go! Prove it, man! Prove it yourself!